Hi everyone, my name is Deogara Skilawe from Mikono Speakers. I'm one of the director. So I want to welcome you for our upcoming program in May. Actually in May we have different program and seminar we are going to conduct in Dar es Salaam and also in Cape Town, South Africa. So I want to invite you to attend the following program. Number one is Advanced Excel and Dashboard. This is a program that is going to take place on 3rd and up to 4th of May. And then we have a job profile workshop. This is actually we are going to, we're going to invite a number of, employers and also the people who are responsible for recruitment of the new staff. So this program is going to take place on 3rd of May. And number 3 is effective debt collection through credit management. This program is going to take place on 16th of May. And another program is pay structuring. This one is going to take place on 24th of May up to 25th of May. And then apart from that, we are going to have managing and protecting protection of information MPI course. So this one is going to take place from 2nd of May to 4th of May. And mobile and agents banking is going to take place from 14 to 18 of May. So Islamic finance training is going to also take place from 14 to 18 of May. And also mastering digital and social media is going to take place from 17 of May. 17 of May. And last 3 program is branching profitability from 14 to 18 of May. And then we have a private partnership masterclass from 21st to 25th of May. And apart from that, we are going to have a company secretary masterclass from 21st to 25th of May. Why is very important for you to attend this kind of program? This program, it's all the program that we are using, methodology, like, our methodology is very simple actually. We are engaging with a participant, and also we have a number of case studies from Africa and from Tanzania and South Africa. And apart from that, we are going to have a number of the, question and answer session with our participant, and we give them chance actually to to interact to each other. And one important thing is our speaker is one of the top expatriate, I can say, from the Africa and outside Africa. So we combine from within Africa and the other perspective from outside Africa. So we combine, and then we equip our people with the different skills and exposure. And important thing is we do in-house training for a number of the company. For May, we are expecting to have more than 10 to 20 in-house training programs, starting with different companies from Tanzania and also outside Tanzania. So I can't wait to see you to one of our program, or maybe 2 or 3 of our program in May. And as you know that Mikono Speaker, we always we have to result. We are not there for it's not about do training. We do training with impact. We make sure that each training that we are doing, we bring impact to the person who is attending our program. So I wish I want to invite you, and also I want to insist you that you to bring more people for your company. And if you have already attended some of our program, also you can also check with us. We have a good discount for people who are always work with us for more than 4 programs. So don't waste this opportunity for getting up to 20% discount. So thank you, and see you at one of our training.